Tips for searching on ScienceOpen. ScienceOpen is a discovery platform for academic research. To search on ScienceOpen, just click on the green search button. Enter your search term into the search field. The default setting is a phrase search that will search for multiple words in context. There is a preset filter for articles indexed in the last week to keep you up to date on the newest research. To search everything, just remove the filter or set it most recent content this month or year. You can narrow your results using the facet menus on the left side. Use this feature to discover relevant content in the featured topical and journal collections created by partnering publishers, societies, institutes and researchers. You can also narrow results by content type like articles or books. Sort your results list by criteria like altmetric score, citation count in ScienceOpen citation graph, date, views, and rating. Search for open access content, filter by preprints, affiliation, date range, or search by title or DOI. For a more precise search, use Boolean operators, and, or, not, or quotation marks. Switch to use operators, or try the advanced search interface. Save your search and run it as needed. New content is added to ScienceOpen daily for updated or relevant articles. You must be registered on ScienceOpen to save a search. You can find your saved searches in your My ScienceOpen drop-down menu. If you have any questions, contact us at feedback@scienceopen.com.